Do you think that the president at this point, of course, everybody's talking about the independence of the Senate, independent branch, the co-equal. Pero do you think the president could do something to step in and say something, or probably, aside from a special session, how can the president use his powers or use interpersonal relations to fix things?
The president has a phlegmatic personality. Yung
Malamya.
malamya, na slow to act. Kaya kuminsan sinasabi ko nga na parang tamad. Palagay ko hindi naman tamad, pero malamya siya. Malayong malayo siya doon sa tatay niya na si Ferdinand Marcos Sr. Iba. Complete opposite.